at Ziggy. She looks really sad. Why isn't she playing?
They said I'm too bouncy and I'll slow everyone down.
Uh-oh, that wasn't very kind. What should we do, friends? We should say something, even if it feels a little scary. But what if they get upset at us too? But doing the right thing even when you're scared, that's called being brave. Okay, let's do it, together. Hey friends, Ziggy would really love to play.
She is really bouncy.
That's what makes her amazing. She can bounce over obstacles nobody else can.
Okay, Ziggy, you're on our team. The word chest. Today's word is brave. Say it with us. Brave! Brave means doing something even when you feel a little scared. You don't have to feel fearless. You just have to try anyway.
I'm so scared to speak up. My fins were shaking.
But he did it anyway. Even small acts of bravery count. Can you think of one brave thing you could do today? Maybe talk to someone new at school? Or try a food you've never tasted? Or stand up for a friend like Splash and Wag did for me? Today's word, brave. It means doing something even when it's scary.
You are braver than you think, friends. Stay kind, stay curious, and stay fantastic.
See you in Coraville.
Doing something even when you feel scared.